The live? Oh my god. Oh my god. YouTube! Son of a bee. Wow, that's some bull. That's some bull. Yep, it says a minute. I've been talking to myself for about half an hour now. About half an hour. Wow, I'm trolled. I'm trolled. I'm thoroughly trolled. Thanks, Matt Damon. What's up, Joel? Holy crap, guys. I am so trolled that I've been doing this for like half an hour. Wow, that's savage. Moment of silence, because rest in peace. Just rip me. Oh my god. Wow, that is trolling. Well, bye. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Good to have you. I've been here streaming to nobody for some reason. YouTube told me I was live. Guess we're not live. Cool. Well, I guess I can summarize what I just said. Oh, that hurts, man. Oh, that hurts. On the daily. Found resistance at 44.5. We see multiple daily closes up here at this level. Yesterday we closed about a 1.1% red candle. Today, flirting with about -4. Son of a... Oh my. Keep going. 42K here is going to be the most important price point. I'd like to see today close above 42. If we close above 42 on the daily, we have a very nice pattern. We could be seeing an inverse head and shoulders with a clearly defined neckline at 44.5. So far, so good. Support from the previous swing low and or the left shoulder here, sitting at 42,000. What a day. On the 2-day, we see this as well. Same price point, and actually what's pretty cool is we have pretty mirrored price action. Pretty weirdly mirrored. We have this long red, we have this long green, followed by a reversing opposite candle. Hopefully, fingers crossed, into the close here today in the same zone. The 2-day closes in 4 hours, so does the daily. A close here would be pretty great. Be a pretty nice setup for this inverse head and shoulders. Wow, I'm thoroughly trolled. Saltiness levels rising, guys. Whew.
Everything is gonna be okay, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you, Smart Digital Payments. I appreciate you. Holy crap, though, is that trolly, dudes. For half an hour, I've been sitting here talking to nobody. It's not recorded, I guess, because YouTube didn't get it. Whew. All right. Same as yesterday, 40,000 to 40,500. That's our zone of support. We could see that if we do see 42,000 break. My eyes are definitely on 40.5. However, this pattern is so beautiful that I'm really looking for this close above 42 today to paint that inverse head and shoulders. What I like about it. Oh, man. Phew. Is this price action right here is starting to look very similar to the price action we're seeing. Very similar. We had a move to the upside, a retracement in between the 0.5 and 0.618, 0.5 and 0.618 retracement levels. Where does that put price for this one? Right into our zone of support. So we could see literally the same price action play out. Find support in our zone here, and then hopefully make a move up to that 52,000 level. I think this logically, even visually, makes sense if you view this as a large inverse head and shoulders. Coming back to 40,000, 40,500, back tests that neckline as support, cements it as strong support, and moves to the upside, continues the rally. That's what I'm hoping for. A close below 42K today likely breaks that pattern, and we're no longer looking for it. Whew, 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 whew. Oh, man. Not my day, boys. Not my day. Oh, my God. Can you guys do me a favor? Smash that like button. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Make my day a little better. A little better. Using volume profile, we see that this swing low in 2022 has very much filled in some of that volume, traded volume, down at the lower levels where we were looking to fill in volume. We're now trending inside of this volume gap that's sitting basically right above our support zone, 40.5, and volume picks up again where we're looking for resistance, and that's 48 to 52,000. What catches my eye as well is a volume gap up at 52,000. That's where it starts. This is a logical reason to say, hey, maybe 52 is on deck. If we get the close today, I think this resolves faster. If we close below 42 today, I think this resolves slower. Maybe we dick around for a little bit before we move up into there. Oh, guys. I love you guys. Thanks for putting up with me. I appreciate it. So far, so good, though. This chart's not looking bad. In the last two episodes, I guess, the last two streams, we were saying, okay, we have a swing low and a swing high. We had to move that swing high, but it didn't really impact what we were looking at, and that is the 236 retracement level. That was 43.2, 43.3. And we said, until we break this, we are still trending up. Today, we did break it. Now we've fallen down to support at 42. So this gave us, as we said, kind of the canary, the early warning. Hey, you're no longer in an uptrend, now you're in a retracement. You're going to start looking for support. That's exactly what happened. We broke it, we fell. We do see this selling does look like it is slowing down, at least on our hourly candles, as these bodies are getting smaller. Now we can see the last 4 or 5 hours, very small red candles, indicating maybe some exhaustion here locally. But as I say this, price just broke lower. Womp. Womp. Yeah, that 5 minute is ugly. I am just so trolled, guys. No wonder. No wonder. So I was in the stream nobody saw. I had a good portion of bitching about my stream deck not working. I should have put that together. It wasn't working because we weren't live. Now it's working. Well, that's good. All the crap I talked about Stream Deck isn't live and recorded on the internet. That's a plus. So guys, smash the stream, smash the like and subscribe for the stream. I'm gonna try to salvage this. Jump in the Discord. Jump on our Discord. It's free. You'll be part of the airdrop after every live stream. We give away some Satoshis, so you'll get paid. Doesn't cost you anything. It's the best way to keep up with our live streams. So jump in there, be part of the community. Check out the Patreon. Check out the Patreon. Today's a great day to sign up. You want to sign up early in the month? Don't wait. If you wait, just sign up the next month. Don't sign up like towards the end of a month. Patreon bills on the 1st. I don't want anyone to get screwed. But if you're looking for exclusive technical analysis, trade setups, macro market insights, all kinds of goodies, private Discord rooms, etc., sign up. We've had a lot of people sign up lately. In fact, we had one sign up, I believe, earlier when nobody was watching. So I'll replay it. What's up, Jizzle? Jizzle777. Sign up for the Patreon. Great to have you, brother. Or sister. I don't know. Jizzle could be either way. I'm so thrown off my game. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. My buttons are working, though. All right. Oh, man. I need an adult. I need an adult, man. Okay, we found some buyers on the 5 minute. at support. Let's hope it holds momentum, pinching over. Awesome. Negative momentum on the 1 seems to failed to have made a lower low. Could be worse. We're really looking for 42,000 to hold here. It can trade intraday below, but by the settling up by the close of today, we want to see 42 hold. Someone knocked on my door accidentally, I think. And here we are. And here we are. There was so much good stuff, too. I'm just going to read the chat, guys. Ridiculous, man. What's up, Neil Watson? Garage 187able. What are people talking about? Humans, yeah, we're mostly water. That's true. It looks like a fake pump. There's no such thing as a fake pump. There are pumps that get sold off. There are dumps that get bought. But ain't nothing fake about none of it. If you had orders in, they would have gotten filled. We need a bounce. I agree. Love from Mumbai. What's up, Jimmy Sammy? Thomas Wofford, subscribing. Great to have you, man. Thank you for subscribing. Very handsome name. What's up, Evan T? Did you ask me yesterday for bat? Of uneven butt cheeks? Is it still uneven butt cheeked? The full moon phase. What's up, Wick? Luke W. What do I think of Luna? I'm surprised it broke 84. Looking for 100. Hasn't hit 100 yet. Chinese found oil on the moon? I doubt it. You need complex hydrocarbons to create fossil fuels. I don't think there are complex hydrocarbons on the moon. I might be wrong. What's up, Master Chief? Del Lores. Greg Savchuk. What fills first? Volume gaps or CME gaps? I think logically volume gaps make more sense. Volume gaps are that's a good question. CME gaps are constructed by the schedule of CME. So the likelihood of them filling, I mean, it's pretty good. Throw dart at a board at any number. The likelihood of Bitcoin trading at that price multiple times, you look at the history, very good. Volume voids make more sense. They make more sense. Price didn't really trade, hasn't built support or resistance at that level comparatively to other price points, and so there is a logical pool, a logical attraction. Cyber attacks. YouTube, what is there? What am I missing? Some kind of news? What up, Toby? Toby Chapman. Do I think we break under 42? If I knew that, man, I'll just put a bajillion-dollar trade and make millions, jillions. If we don't, we get a retest of 44.5. If we do, we're looking for support around 40.5 thousand. This is a strong point of support, and there is reason to believe that that would hold if it's tested. In my opinion, I think we hold 40. I think we hold 42 here today. I think we hold 42 here today into the 2-day and the 3-day, 2-day, and 1-day closes. And that at least paints the inverse head and shoulders. And then does that play out? Who knows? But I think we close here just to paint it, just to get the market kind of excited about this pattern. That tends to be the way Bitcoin rolls, doesn't it? Though as I say it, it looks like maybe it's breaking. Zoom in. Zaquilla Metapolis. Sure. Neil Weston. Tom Ladue. Seems like this might be a fake out. It is flirting. I mean, on low time frames, this looks terrible. I mean, this looks really not good. Low time frames aren't to be trusted, but in general, the probability here is downside. Probability just doesn't dictate the future, though. The improbable happens quite often. Yeah, you broke the low, got bought up, it didn't dunk. So there's buyers here. to some degree. Crypto Legend, can you get a free trial? No. No, my friend. I love you. No. Yeah, props for asking, though. No one's asked. Yeah, I gotta be honest. I'm always honest. Guys, I'm not always right, but I'm always honest. I never have shared anything with you with any motive other than that's what I honestly believe. I've never accepted a penny or a sat or anything for paid promotion. That's seeming like a good idea here now that we're seeing all these legal battles fly around. But in the day, it wasn't for that. It was, I have morals. Happy Thursday. Then how do you know it's not BS? You don't. It's okay. You don't have to sign up. There are rumors of the SEC case being settled. It'll be settled someday. But, man, careful with rumors. Careful. I can't. How many times have you heard that already over the last year, 2 years? A bunch. Jimmy Dodger, Fractal from the 14th, 16th says 40K. Yeah, that's where we're looking. I mean, this 42K is like kind of a fingers crossed thing. If we hold this into the daily close, things look really good for an inverse head and shoulders. If we don't, then I might have not. I don't even know like what you guys saw or didn't see, because freaking YouTube. If this is the pattern you're looking at, then I agree, because I actually showed this earlier, but nobody was here. Unknowns to me. No one was here. Let's look at it like, maybe like this. That pattern's pretty fancy. I like it. But patterns are really just guides. We can't really trade on them, but we can use them as a guide, and we can say, okay, this price action fits a previous price action. So we're going to follow this, but we're not going to really bet on it happening again. What we're going to do is we're going to look at it and look or pay attention to when it breaks that pattern. And when it breaks that pattern, then we can use that information to potentially take a position. Yeah, oh my God, just flirting with 42. I have no idea what I've said that was recorded and not now. Intraday, it's fine for us to trade below 42. As long as by the daily and 2-day close, we settle up above it, we're good. We're good. Trading down into 40K is fine. We definitely can do this. Find support and bounce. I believe the support here is much stronger than here. There's many reasons to believe support at 40 to 40.5 thousand is strong. We only really have what? We only really have... there's still reason here at 42. That was January's initial swing high. We can see that all the way back there. So there's reason to believe there's support here. I think it will hold simply to do this. Simply to paint this out, and maybe we, like I said, move back to 44.5, and then maybe that's when you get nuked. Maybe that's when you see it crash down to that 40,500, and that even looks just like this price action. This is like the game theory for me. Is we hold this to get people long, then market gets pushed up to 44.5 and gets sold off probably to 40,000, 40,500. I think that this paints out. I don't know if it plays out. If I had the answer to that, I would have $1 jillion. Thank goodness I looked at chat, though, because if I hadn't looked at the chat, I would have been streaming for like hours and then been really trolled. Really trolled. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. That's right. Smash the likes and subscribes. Really, the big take today, maybe I can clip down a video. The big take today is we're watching 42K. We have a very clean potential. So we have potential, it's not there. Inverse head and shoulders pattern could be playing out here on a larger time frame on the daily, on the 2-day. All that needs to happen is today's daily and 2-day are both closing today in 3 hours. Hold 42K. You hold 42K, you have a high probability confidence that price moves back up, likely to that 44.5 range. I like the way this looks. However, If we don't get that close, we have a very strong area of support down in the 40 to 40.5 thousand area. That's where I would be looking if we don't get the close today. Definitely looking at 40,000. If price is able to recover 44.5, I think we see a breakout. Maybe not all the way to 52.7, but maybe. I'm looking for about 50,000. We have an area up here starting at about 48K to 52K of strong resistance, but more importantly, liquidity. And so for me, in my analysis, I don't see this happening. I don't see that happening. That's unlikely, in my opinion. This is where it can get serious. If we move back to this resistance zone and reject, that's when we can see deeper lows. So far, I think we're good. We're good for now. We're good for now. It gets spookier on the way up, not the way down. The way it's always about where it retraces to. That's where it can get serious. And at the moment, yeah, we can definitely see some more sideways trading, maybe more of this kind of like higher low, lower high stuff. But at some point, in my opinion, price is going to look to move to the 52,000 area. And when it does, I'm going to pray that we blast through it. If we don't blast through it and we get rejected, then it's very ugly and I will cry myself to sleep. God, I'm so trolled. Are you guys as trolled as I am? Probably, because you guys don't get all the sweet quality content. Every day, we're here live, and we're showing you guys how to look at a chart. We're not telling you what to think, but we're telling you how someone with experience looks at a chart, diagnoses a chart, and I try to create little logical trades with calculated risk to rewards. These aren't financial advice. Please don't take these trades and blame me if you lose, and don't take these trades and give me credit if you win. That's not what it's about. This is about education. It's about how I make these, not about what I'm making. I don't take these trades. Obviously, I'm live. I'm not taking these trades. These aren't intended for that. I lost my train of thought. But I appreciate you guys for being here. Freaking sucks that all that's gone. Very demotivating. Very. But we have 240 likes. That's pretty good. 350 watching. And so I do appreciate everyone that is here. You guys rock. I don't even remember if I've talked about it while I was actually live. Jump in the Discord if you're not in the Discord yet. It's free, and after the live stream, we always do airdrops. And so just by being in the Discord, you'll be collecting little bits of Satoshis, little pieces of Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever it is we drop. You don't have to do anything. You just have to join it. Verify by clicking the green checkmark emoji in the room that you can see when you join. That's it. So jump in there. Patron, invest in yourself, sign up today, etc. Links pinned to the top of the chat. All of the important links are in the video description below. And what's great about that is all of those links, they are referral links, meaning I make a little bit of money when you use them. So they're sites that you're going to likely be using as crypto traders anyway. And instead of that little amount of money going to the exchange, it goes to me. So it helps support the stream. It doesn't cost you anything. And most of the time you get some kind of discount versus just signing up on their site. So it's a win-win. And I'm being transparent about it so you guys know. But also so you know you can help support the stream without spending a dime. And that is appreciated. I think our little impatient play is doing all right. Let's take a look. 5 minute. Do we have any reversalies? We do now have bullish divergence on our 5 low and bullish divergence on, I'll say, on our RSI and MACD lows. Market cipher, not exactly what I want yet, but we do have VWAP trending up. RSI is lower than Stoch RSI, typically a precursor to upside. Market cipher gave us the green dot. I'm not a follower of the green dots, to be honest. But the rest of this is looking good. What's interesting is since we started this, since we were actually live, this has actually started to look a little better. And the reason actually being is we have lower lows. I know that sounds counterintuitive, right? But what I was worried about is this descending high, flat bottom structure. We had that back here on the initial bounce. I was worried about that because that very commonly breaks to the downside. But because price actually broke 42 here, we now have more of a descending structure, and the probability then weighs back to the upside. Flat bottoms tend to break down, flat tops tend to break up. And so by simply finding buyers here slightly lower, that does show that the market has some interest, has some buying pressure available. The 1 hour candles are red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the moment. Red candles in a row. But what we can see here is large red bodied candles followed by this series of descending smaller red bodied candles. That can be a sign of exhaustion on the sell side in this price range. This adds up. This lines up with 42,000 support, looking for that inverse head and shoulders. The descending pattern favors a break to the upside. So we have some logic. We have some logic here. That's really what this is about. Building that logic. You don't get this everywhere. Some people trade live, and that's really great. Props to them. That's not easy to do. But they're not explaining why they're taking trades. They're just trading, right? And that doesn't help you make trades unless you're trying to copy them. And I'll tell you, man, trying to copy someone's trades in real time is not a good way to succeed. In fact, I can't imagine someone succeeding doing that. It sounds impossible. But if you tune in